In this video, we are going to see how are AI agents different from the large language models. We've all been using the LLMs in the form of ChatGPTs or Meta's Llama, but how is using an LLM different from using an AI agent? Before we dive in, let me welcome you to NextGen Learn Hub with me, Neha. Now, first, let's see how we currently interact with LLMs through, for example, say ChatGPT. We go to ChatGPT, we write our question that we want the answer for, we wait for the LLM to respond, then we again type an instruction to refine the answer. And this process may repeat multiple times before we actually get the answer that we are satisfied with. Now, let's consider another scenario where you pose the question to ChatGPT and ChatGPT interacts with itself multiple times before giving you the final answer. You just have posed the question to it and you have received the final answer. That is like a smart virtual assistant, isn't it? This is just what an AI agent is, and much more. So, the ChatGPT is now replaced with an AI agent here, and we have given the task to the agent, which interacts with itself or with other LLMs multiple times and provides us with the answer. It takes the tasks, divides the tasks into multiple subtasks, and arranges them in the order of priority. And using its intelligence, the LLM's intelligence, solves that tasks for you and sends you the answer. How cool is that? But just wait. It is not limited to that. Apart from the text-based interactions, the agent has a special feature that it can interact with the outside world of tools where it can use and access multiple APIs and multiple other tools which are present out there. For example, it can help you with reading the information from the web or utilizing some test automation tools or data visualization tools or some analytics tools or some databases or whatever you may like. So just you can imagine how big the scope of this agent becomes when it starts interacting and using the other tools. And this is the smartness of an LLM combined with the capacity of using the automation or other tools from outside that gives the AI agents the special place that they have right now. So now the formal definition of AI agent, what we have learned, an AI agent is an autonomous unit, which means it is an independent unit which is programmed to perform tasks, make decisions, and also communicate with other agents out there. Just like a virtual assistant. Think of an agent as a member of a team with specific skills and a particular job to do, just like a software engineer or a manager, right? Agents can have different roles like researcher, writer, customer support, and you can just open your imagination here, each contributing to the overall goal of the crew, right? Now, what is a multi-agent system? Wherein if we have a complex task, we can use multiple agents to perform that task, which is divided into subtasks, and each subtask is performed by a different agent. And then finally, we get an answer from the multiple agents combined. And what is special about this is that it is not necessary for one agent, for multiple agents to use the same LLM. Each agent can have access to a different LLM, which is actually specialized in performing that type of task which it is assigned. For example, in this particular scene, you can see that the researcher agent is using Llama language model while the writer agent is using GPT-4, because we might think that one particular kind of LLM is fine-tuned to perform one specific task much better than the other, right? So this also gives us an added advantage of each agent performing its best to the capabilities of the role or the LLM that it is assigned to. Then also, in order to perform much more complicated tasks, we have the meta multi-agent systems, wherein you can see that the whole agent systems, like multiple agents performing multiple tasks and then interacting with each other. One output of one agent is sent as an input to the other agent as a task, and so on. So, with this kind of arrangement, you just can imagine how much more complicated and complex tasks can be performed. So, this is just a short summary of how the AI agents work. And in the future videos, we are going to see the hands on tutorials of some of the multi agent systems that are existing there. Thank you for watching.